Everybody wants to become a millionaire, but most people have no idea how long it actually takes. That is why today I am breaking down the exact timeline to hit 1 million based on how much money you are investing each month. Now look, everybody wants to be a millionaire today, but if it takes you, let's say 20 years to get there, that $1 million won't buy you nearly as much as it does right now. That is why we need to take into account inflation. If we look at the S&P 500, we see that it averages 10% growth per year. If we subtract 3% for inflation, which is the average inflation number, we would get 7% real return. That is why we will use 7% for all our calculations to find the real value of our money in today's dollars. And before we dive in, when I say invest, I am talking about putting money into the stock market. This can be within a retirement account like a Roth IRA, a 401k, or just in a normal brokerage account. Inside those accounts, you will buy low-cost index funds that track the S&P 500 or total stock market. These have both averaged around 10% per year. You will not get those types of returns in just your average savings account. This whole thing works because of compound interest. All right, let's run the numbers. If you're investing $100 a month at 7% return, that's about 60.5 years. Yeah, that's a lifetime. If we double that to $200 a month, we're still looking at 50.5 years. That's still such a long time. But if we get up to that $500 a month mark, you're looking at about 38 years. And if you invest $1,000, we're down to 29 years. Those are much more possible within a normal working career. If $100 feels like a stretch right now, try starting with just $50 or even $25. Investing a small amount now and letting your money grow beats not investing at all. And you can always increase this later as your income grows. I have made a spreadsheet showing exactly how long it takes at every investment level in $100 increments. There's a link in the description below, and you can plug in your age and adjust the numbers to see when you will hit that $1 million milestone. So let me show you how it works. If you enter 25 for your age and you plan to invest $500 a month, you'd be a millionaire at age 63. And remember, this assumes that you invest the same amount forever. But as your income grows, you can invest more and cut off years off this timeline. And speaking of ways of speeding things up, if your employer offers a 401k match, that's literally free money that can shave years off of your timeline. If you have access to this match, make sure to max that thing out before doing anything else. If you don't have a ton of money to invest right now, time becomes your biggest advantage. The less you can invest today, the more crucial it is to start now. Not next month, not after you get your finances in order. Do it right now. Put it in low-cost index funds, stay consistent, and you will get to your goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.